Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to perform a local backup using Apple devices on Windows operation system. If you want to create a local backup to have a backup file, you should download Apple devices from the Microsoft App Store. It's here, as you can see. This is the Apple device original application, Apple Inc. Okay, so to open Apple devices, just find it in the Start menu. And then connect your Apple device to your computer. Cool. And here, as you can see, there is an iPad. Here we have information about our iPad, about our software. We can check for updates, we can restore our iPad, but we want to create a backup. And here is our option. Backup all of the data on your iPad to this computer. If you will use to iCloud, you'll create an iCloud account. But if you want to create a local backup, just select this option. And then if you wanna encrypt your backup using the password, so you can create a password to use this backup, so only you will be able to use this backup file. So you can enable this feature. For example, enter any password you want. Cool. Click set the password. Confirm this action on your iPad. You don't need to confirm the same password, you just should enter your iPad PIN code. Trust this computer, so click trust. Wait a while. And as you can see, backing up process has started, so just wait a while. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.